Once you understand how a pad printing machine works, one of the next decisions is how it's configured for your application. One of the most common questions we hear is about single color versus multicolor pad printing and what the real differences are. Single color printing uses one plate, one ink cup, and one pad to apply a single color to a part. It's the most straightforward configuration and works extremely well for logos, text, symbols, and functional markings, where only one color is required. Because the setup is simple, single color printing typically offers fast changeovers, high repeatability, and excellent throughput. Multicolor pad printing is used when a design requires two or more colors on the same part. Traditionally, this can mean additional setup time and complex registration between colors. However, not all multicolor systems are designed the same way. With our Universal series and Professional series, multicolor pad printers, multiple colors are registered on a single plate. That means the alignment between colors is already built into the plate itself, instead of requiring each color to be manually registered to the part. This approach drastically reduces setup time, improves consistency, and eliminates the trial and error typically associated with multicolor machines that use multiple single color plates for alignment. Registration is one of the biggest challenges in multicolor pad printing. When alignment is done visually at the machine, setup time increases and repeatability can suffer. By handling registration at the plate level, multicolor printing becomes faster, more predictable, and far easier to repeat from job to job. Single color printing is ideal when speed and simplicity are the priority. Multicolor printing makes sense when branding or design requires multiple colors, especially when the system is designed to minimize setup time and improve product output. The key is choosing a machine that supports multicolor printing without adding unnecessary complexity. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at pad printing inks and material compatibility, and how those choices affect durability and print quality. If you're evaluating single color or multicolor pad printing for your application, you can learn more at automarkco.com or reach out to our team. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be alerted when we post other great printing content. Thanks for watching.